It's a sad day, guys. It's a sad day for the channel because the Z is going home to its new owner today. It's a bittersweet day. I know you guys are gonna miss it as much as I am. So right now, I don't know if the new owner wants to be on camera or not right now, but we're swapping out to the G35 wheels. Because obviously I'm not gonna sell them with the emits. Those are like my all-time favorite wheels. I'm not going to sell those wheels probably ever. I get DMs about them a lot, but I'm probably not gonna let them go. But anyway, anyway, what'd you do?
Dude, it's stuck and it's not in. It's stuck and it's not in it.
What do you mean?
It's like the gun is inside the socket, but it's not.
Everybody, let me introduce you to the new owner of the 350Z.
Nah, he's joking. Nah, he's not joking, but if you guys are mad, he's joking.
You're so dumb. Okay, guys, so yeah, Bailey here. Bailey here is the new owner of this car, guys. I'll go more into detail on it, but pretty much, yeah, I offered Bailey the chance to purchase the car for a pretty good deal because I knew I wanted to let it go. And I wanted to go to somebody who would make good use of it. And as you guys know, Bailey is trying to get into drifting. And this car did me and Christine really well to learn how to drift. So I offered Bailey the chance to buy it. And he didn't want it at first, but then he finally made up his mind.
Because I need to get better than freaking Bradley. And I can do it with the freaking Z31. Nah, I mean, you could. If you have a Z31 and you try to do that, don't say that. She freaking said that. But nah, you should do it.
What did he say?
But maybe I just suck.
I mean, you kind of do. But yeah, guys, so Bailey is going to be the owner of the car. This car is going to get a bunch of changes as well. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys are excited because the car is not totally leaving the channel. It's just leaving my possession. So Bailey actually picked up the car, like I said, and he's gonna take it home today. So we're just putting on the G35 wheels so that way he can get it rolling. He needed a reliable daily driver, and this car is gonna be that for him for a little bit. Anyway, yeah, so we got a lot of plans for the Z. It'll be getting a bunch of changes to it in the future. He's probably gonna want to change the color and stuff like that. But as far as performance-wise, all the stuff that he would need to do is already done, so he saves a whole bunch of money, especially for the price that I let it go to him for. And now I can focus on my next project.
No, for real, I really.
Oh, here. Here.
Come on, man. Look at this. Look what he freaking did, dude.
look at this guy. Why are you doing that?
It's stuck on it.
What is stuck on there?
The socket.
Oh, the socket's in there?
Yes. No, it's stuck on the gun itself.
How?
Look at it. Look. It's diagonal.
Okay, guys, so let me just give you an update on this car. I pretty much took off all the blue panels. I swapped over all the stock bumpers. I had a set of white over fenders from the car in the garage. And yeah, I just pretty much made this car stock looking for now. I will be fixing up this rear quarter panel. As you guys can see, it wasn't welded, it's just cut and folded. So I have to go ahead and make that all nice, do it right. If you guys seen the last couple videos, I actually did go ahead and put interior into this car. Put seats, put a cover overlay for the dashboard. It looks nice. I went ahead and put the headliner back in and painted that black. All the plastic trim panels and stuff all in the car. Everything is here, guys. This thing is looking good once again. I will be putting a radio back in this car. The only thing gutted is going to be pretty much the rear trunk, so I'm gonna leave that gutted. But other than that, the car is almost back to street spec, so I can't wait to dive more into this car. But lately we've been helping this guy get this car ready to take home. And he's over here already messing stuff up.
Right?
You see the bash bar?
I can do it from there?
Yeah, that's what it's for. It's all about the form, guys.
Oh, wait.
You're so stupid,
It's gonna
bro.
bring me up.
Yeah, you're
But
gonna
it brings me up, but then I fall down.
Why?
I didn't even need to bring them. Alright. So when you guys put the spacers on the car, what you want to do is you want to put it on top of the car. And when you tighten it, it's always righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Always, yeah.
Always. I like to hand start them, try to get them all the way in with my fingers, even if it's like that. And if I can't fix it, I'll find a stick and I'll like try to like turn it like that. And it don't matter if you have this, you gotta always make sure you can get it all the way down with this stick right here.
That's just the number one rule when you're using power tools.
Yeah.
Like always hand tighten first.
Always all the way down.
Always. As far as you can go.
Another tip is like, when you're working on a car, you want all your stuff around you when you're sitting crisscross applesauce. Because you don't want to have to get out of crisscross applesauce and get back into crisscross applesauce. Because that just doesn't stretch your glutes the good way, the right way. Like that. You guys are so freaking mad that this is my car now. all the comments are going to be like, what the frick? Like, why, dude? Why? Oh.
Are they different sizes, do you know?
Yeah, the ones with the center caps on them are 225 40s. You guys didn't know 225 40 is this 225 is how many inches it would take for the wheel to go 1 whole mile. and the 40 is sidewall.
Are they directionless?
No.
So like it doesn't say rotation on it?
Oh, it does say rotation. This way.
Okay,
So that was this way, right?
Is it?
Dude.
So which way does it go?
Unless I reverse. Bruh! No way! No way! That's called Ling Long, bruh. It's kind of funny how long this is taking me to do.
Yeah, I would have been done already.
But it's just cause like, freaking. You know what? I broke the freaking rule. When you crisscross applesauce, you gotta bring every freaking tool over here.
Jeez, Bailey.
Okay.
You created the book and you're already messing up.
I know.
Jeez. Hey, appreciate it, bro.
It's like, it's mine. It's my car. Jack it down?
Yeah, slowly. Watch out your fingers
Yeah,
now. Cap of what happened with your car. Your other Z. Try your finger now. Wow, you just got 2 Z. Oh, chop the bumper, bro. Push the pole down. Oh gosh. You only got 1 shot.
What do you mean?
It's gonna say void on it. Bro, it's crooked.
Know what?
I'm just kidding.
You lame. So black underneath. Whoa, that's actually.
That's sick, huh?
That's actually cool. That's actually cool.
Yeah. If you guys missed out on the mirrors, you guys missed out because we're not really doing these mirrors anymore.
The pink looks sick. It's actually dope.
Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and take a last stroll in the 350Z with Bailey. We're gonna go fill this baby up with gas. And he's gonna be on his way. Yeah. No, this car is gonna drive more nuts than your Z. Yo, that looks so much better aired out. Yeah, once you put your wheels on, or like once you do wheels, it'll be way better. Alright guys, so we got back home. My phone died, my bad. Well, we're about to head out, or Bailey's about to head out, and he's gonna take the car with him. So we're gonna watch him head out. Let's watch this last departure.
Guys. Okay.
Oh, he's about to call you out. Told you. You gotta go get him now.
I don't want to go get him.
Hey, it's going, guys. Yeah. It's gone. It's gone.
Why you sell it? Huh? That's so sad. What the heck is going on?
Cause we got this baby over here now. We got this baby right here. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys are happy with the news of the new owner. It was actually in the works from before we even bought the first 240. So yeah, we've been holding it back for a while, and hope you guys are glad to know that it's still sticking around in the family and it's gonna be still in the videos. So yeah, I know Bailey is gonna really enjoy the car. It really did me and Christine well. So I'm hoping that he will benefit from the car as much as we did. So hopefully you guys want to stick around for more videos to come. If you guys could subscribe, we really appreciate it. Give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment. Let me know how you guys feel about everything. All right, peace out and stay good.